What's up, guys? Welcome back. It is Colt, Adventure Daddy here. I am with Samantha, the Trippy Traveler. We are at Tiny Fest, and I have a huge surprise for you guys, something that I think is really cool. We got parked right next to Ryan Toomey's Porsche. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. And their little Cybertruck camper is pretty cool. We have not seen him. Hopefully he's here, maybe. But let you go for now. We're gonna get set up and get some shots in later. So it is the first day of Tiny Fest, and we're getting set up and ready for the day. Has not started yet. We are selling bracelets and jewelry that we made. Gonna make some of these little lizards. There's some stuff going on. Some more bracelets right here that we're gonna be selling. It's gonna be a good day, good weekend here at Tiny Fest. We're parked next to Asia, Strange Day Diaries, and Jackdaw. It's gonna be a good weekend. It looks real great out here. We're still next to the Porsche. There's a Cybertruck over there. I'm probably gonna check that out later.
30 minutes.
So Ryan is not here.
Colt and I are both filming. What's up?
So Ryan is not here, but it is his friend Kyle. But they also have
These look so cool.
the Cybertruck trailer. It's open on the back. Look at the little sink. You got the sink and the stove. You got the inside open. Look, looks like a little coffin. Oh, there's a TV in there. Okay, that actually looks pretty cozy. They have the Porsche open. Look, Ryan stood right here and cooked like 2 weeks ago. Maybe. Look, there's the tent. Oh, it's so cool. I love the Porsche. I love it. Ryan Toomey, if you're seeing this, I love it. I love it. Kyle, if you see this, I love it. I know I already told you when I saw you, but I love it. Oh, see, I was thinking if I could. And look, it's kind of cozy. I got a little sunroof, watch the moon, stars, the rain. Got the solar panels. We're gonna hang around a bit, maybe get some more shots in, maybe get some walking around later. I told a lady I would do a panel discussion and maybe a podcast. I don't know when, but we'll see.
Yeah.
So we found this cool Chevy Express.
Also love the Cheetos.
Yes, the hot Cheetos pillow. Look at it. It's pretty.
And then the front cabbage is all painted blue. We have floor mats that say Rover on it as well.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I love that. Open the driver's side so I can see the cab. Yeah, I wanted to. See if I can see
He said it's 6'3".
Oh my god.
On the inside, he said his wife is 5'10".
Yeah, that would be me.
Okay, damn, we should.
Hi.
Hi, she's 5'10" and something,
Oh, nice.
and I'm 6'1", so happen to do.
So we actually built the table pops down and that's the bed.
Okay.
And this side is longer to fit my legs than this side. So I sleep here. It's 5'10", can fit really comfortably.
Yeah, like we travel in her Astro and walking around in it. We're both like this.
Yes.
Oh, this is so.
Yeah, it's a nice.
Look in here, guys. Look, hold on. Do you want to see the best part, guys? I'm standing straight up. It's so nice. Look how big it is on the inside. Look. See, guys, this is something that I would like to have in the
Sell my
future.
Astro and buy this right now.
We should trade them.
Right? Yeah, you said you.
Just trade them right now. This would be so sick. Oh, they said look in the front too. They said poke your head through and look in the front. Oh my God, it's all blue.
Also,
That's so.
projector screen.
No way.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh my god.
Is that? Oh.
So we have like
That's
really
sick.
little pocket projectors and we set it up here. Watch movies.
You'd have to sleep on that side.
Your
It's big
husband.
enough that you can both like get in the middle and
Yeah.
be on angles and everything.
Oh.
It's the whole width.
Oh yeah, she said this goes down.
Yeah.
Your husband was saying you guys
It's
want to
one of those,
downsize. You want to trade? real nice.
No, it is real nice.
And there's in that second drawer, there's an induction cooktop.
This one?
Yep.
Oh, look at it. Oh.
And then all the above behind the TV there is all extra storage and under the back, obviously.
Yeah. Oh, I like the best part for me is
The standing.
the standing.
Standing, yes. So my dad is 6'3" and he can stand in the middle part there without hitting his head.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it's nice. Like I'm 6'1", so
Makes such a
Just
difference,
having
doesn't
that-
it? Like,
that 2 inches of space.
especially, I don't know if you've ever been stuck in yours in the rain. Like we went camping and we were stuck for basically 4 days inside. And having that height, being able to move around,
Oh, yeah.
such a difference maker.
Or like the wind.
Well, even just like sitting, like if the bed's down, just sitting on the bed, I'm like,
Yes. The only thing is, we also built it long so that we can both work. So like I
Yeah.
sit there, he sits on the other, on the diagonal, and
Yeah.
we're 2 screens and everything. I just have to be careful. Sometimes I knock my head on this, so I'll put an extra cushion behind me. That's
Ah.
the only downside.
Did you guys add these windows?
No, so it came already with the pop top on it, and that's why we.
so we're about to check out a friend that I met here at Tiny Fest. His name is Albert, right? Albert?
Yep. How's it going?
This is Albert. You want to say hello to the people?
Yeah, sure.
This is
there.
Albert.
Hi.
I met him here at Tiny Fest last night. We're gonna go check out his rig. I can see already he's got a Stegosaurus.
Yeah, this is the Dino Van.
This is the Dino Van.
There's a subtle amount of dinosaurs in here, you know?
Just a subtle. Oh, I see. Just a subtle amount. Just a subtle. Hey, we like dinosaurs. Oh, I like that silver one, the little cup holder mug one. That's cool.
No,
Oh, I can stand. It's nice. Oh, look. T-Rex taking a bath. Oh, this is sick. Fallout shelter. That's cool. Little fake grenade. Little nuke. Oh, this is great. Oh, this is real cool. Some vintage flashlights. The stove. I love the stove. Big old sink. Look at that. Look, more dinosaurs. Oh, look. Buster, you kidding me? Shun the non-believer. Shun.
Shun the non-believer. Shun. Shun.
Yes. I get it. I get the reference. I get the reference. It's good.
One thing about this, so this is my bed. This is a Murphy bed that comes down.
Okay.
So that's what I sleep on. So it's a full size,
Mm-hmm.
and that frees up the space in the back for my little shop back there.
Your little workshop. Yeah. Yeah. I like the stove.
Oh,
The
thank
stove
you,
in
yeah.
this old cabinet here.
Yeah, this is like an old medicine cabinet from somewhere. I found this in an alley in La Jolla, but I left all the original stickers and stuff on there.
Oh no, that's really
'Cause
cool.
It was, I don't know, interesting, you know. But
It looks exactly what you would think like an archaeologist like shop or like house would look like.
right. Yeah, it's almost entirely made out of found materials. So
Oh, that's cool.
I try not to spend money, even on things like lumber. Like there's plenty of like places where you can just get scraps.
I like the
stuff.
sticker too.
Oh, thank you.
The old Rocky and Bullwinkle bad guy.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. That's nice.
Yep.
No, this is really nice.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
I love it too because I can stand.
No,
Oh, hold on, I didn't even see that. Oh no, I dropped you guys. I don't have a back to it.
Yeah. Are you a San Diegan?
No, I am a Texan.
Oh, okay. So in Ocean Beach, right?
Okay.
There is this old bar called Wonderland. It's named after this amusement park that was built in like the turn of the century.
Yeah.
And I was driving by and they were switching signs and I saw
Mhm.
this in their dumpster. And I'm like, you can't throw something like this away. It's too cool. So I
Oh,
picked
yeah.
it up and threw it in here. you
Got all
know?
the license plates too.
Yep.
That's nice. I'll have to, if I ever go back, well, when I go back to Texas, if I ever run into you again, I'll try and scoop a license plate from Texas.
I'm always looking for old license plates. So I just picked this one up at a thrift store. It's California 1936.
Oh, whoa.
Yeah. So I don't know.
Put some Coke on there and get that rust off.
I kind of like the rust.
Oh, yeah, it gives character.
You know,
Yeah.
gives a character exactly. Yeah.
No, I like it in here. The little chandelier, I didn't even notice that. So, Right now, I'm waiting on Sam to get back because I got this panel I'm gonna go do about van life, and if they'll let me, I'll record and bring you guys with me. So I'll see you over there. Maybe. Guys, it is day 2 Tiny Fest. We did pretty good yesterday, sold a bunch of bracelets, made some customs, met a bunch of new people, made some connections. I did that panel that y'all saw. Maybe we'll see some more people today. I heard yesterday Sunday is supposed to be busier than Saturday, but we'll see and see if anything cool happens or we see any other cool rigs. At high speeds, at all times. This is our power. EcoFlow. What is the wattage on the EcoFlow?
How much is it? It's an 800.
800 watts.
And the Starlink pulls like 50 watts when it's running.
Yeah. Oh, we got the. We just installed these. Oh, yeah. We got the. But there's 2 of us that stay in here. Okay, guys, Tiny Fest is over. I saw some cool rigs, saw some stuff maybe I would want in the future. Sold a bunch of bracelets, had a good time. Made a couple of new fans. If y'all are watching this, hello. We're about to get some cooking done, get some eating done, maybe hang out with some of the friends we met. Stay here for tonight, and then tomorrow headed to Mission Beach. Somebody, Anthony, Traveling Gamer, told us about a good spot. So we'll head that way, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Always forget, because it's not something I think about, but don't forget to like and subscribe.